Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to our new and outstanding presentation of flower arrangement contest for this year 2009. It is great to see so many creative men and women who are gathering here to present their very unique and most creative flower arrangement with the use of different kinds of flowers. To start with, let us humbly welcome our very own special guest for tonight, Mr. Richard Cruz, the International Award winning for the Best Flower Arrangement for the year 2008, and also Mrs. Maria de la Serna, the coordinator of this contest, who is an award winning for the Best and Amazing Flower Arrangement Contest for the year 2000. With Mr. Robert Domingo, the chairman of this flower arrangement committee. They will be the one to judge and decide among of the contestants who's the best and outstanding flower arrangement among them all for this year 2009. These contests have many different categories that are based in using different kinds of flowers such as roses, tulips, sunflower, flor de luna, and a lot more. I know that many of you have traveled from a high distance, and I'd like to acknowledge our very own contestants from different parts of the country, especially the contestants from Baguio City, Tagaytay, and Pampanga, and also in the Visayas region, Cebu and Leyte. Among the activities we have planned are workshops about in making a very authentic and very creative different kinds of flower arrangements. In the exhibition hall, you will be able to see each of the latest creative creation of flower arrangement of this year. You will also be able to judge and choose which of these very creative and unique flower arrangement by simply vote for it and may win